Did you know that live webinars can generate between 500 to 1,000 leads on average, with a conversion rate of 55%? But the constant effort of hosting live webinars can be time-consuming. Many marketers find it unsustainable to organize and conduct live webinars regularly. Each session requires preparing content, coordinating with speakers, and engaging with a live audience, which consumes significant time and resources. Luckily, there's a fantastic solution: Evergreen Webinars. An Evergreen Webinar is a pre-recorded session that is available to viewers on demand. Set it up once and watch it generate leads and sales without the need to constantly host live events. The beauty of Evergreen Webinars is that they work for you 24/7, even while you sleep. Imagine your best presentation available anytime, anywhere. Sounds amazing, right? Evergreen Webinars are perfect for engaging with your audience without the constant hustle of live sessions. This setup allows for a one-time recording to be used repeatedly to engage and educate audiences, essentially running on autopilot and freeing up valuable resources. Picture this: you record a webinar on customer support strategies, and it's automatically available to new subscribers or as a resource on your website. It keeps capturing leads without any extra effort from you. So, how does it work? With a tool like WebinarNinja, you can easily create and host evergreen webinars. Once you're in, select the automated webinar type to get started. Set the title of your webinar to grab attention. Next, fill in the schedule details, such as the start and end date, and decide how many times it should repeat. WebinarNinja gives you flexibility, allowing you to set it to be available on demand or schedule it to run at specific times. Prepare and record your content. Make sure your presentation is engaging, informative, and valuable to your audience. Once your recording is ready, upload it to WebinarNinja. The platform supports various video formats, making it easy to get your content online. You can also reuse your existing content from platforms like YouTube. Personalize your registration and thank you pages to reflect your brand. WebinarNinja provides customizable templates that make it easy to create a professional and cohesive look, ensuring a seamless experience for your attendees from start to finish. Share your webinar across multiple channels to maximize its reach. Promote it on your website, social media platforms, and through email marketing campaigns. WebinarNinja provides you with the tools to create attractive landing pages, making it easy for your audience to sign up and attend. Even though your webinar is pre-recorded, you can still engage with your audience. Use WebinarNinja's chat and Q&A features to interact with viewers in real time or respond to their questions after the webinar. This keeps the experience interactive and personal. WebinarNinja offers robust analytics to help you track your webinar's performance. Monitor key metrics such as the number of attendees, engagement rates, and conversion rates. Use these insights to make data-driven decisions and optimize your future webinars. The benefits of hosting evergreen webinars are endless. Not only do they save you time and resources, but they also allow you to reach a wider audience and generate leads and sales on autopilot. Plus, with the ability to track analytics, you can see exactly how your webinar is performing and make adjustments as needed. This approach not only saves time, but also continuously drives engagement and conversions with minimal effort. With a tool like WebinarNinja, you can effortlessly create and host evergreen webinars that work for you 24/7. So why wait? Start hosting evergreen webinars today and watch your business grow. We're here to help if you need us. We offer live chat, phone help, and a huge knowledge base, so getting started is easy.